Well, good evening, YouTube. Sorry for the noise. I have everything warming up. I've got light towers over here on warm up. I got the rollback here. What I wanted to show you, I really hope to do this during the day. One, because it was a lot warmer and not like flurrying outside. It's really about 25 degrees and it's about 7:30 at night. So I wanted to do this video during the day. One, for better lighting too. But we've had a lot of questions on how to unload these SplitForce units if you don't have a commercial address. So what we've tried to do is find like a heavy tow yard that might be near your location. Because if it is a heavy tow yard, I'll show you what they normally have for like a rollback truck. And I wanted to film the whole thing, and I'm still going to try, but the truck's not here yet from Canada to unload, so we'll see how this goes. But at least I'll do a nice intro anyway, so hopefully I get to use it. Let me flip the camera around, I'll show you just what I'm talking about, and we'll go from there. All right, sorry for all the glare that we have going on. It's dark, and I'm trying to do this here at night. Not that it's late at night, but you know, daylight savings time, and it is, you know, 7:30, so. My Chevy, the gooseneck, maybe like a 24-inch height, so it's really not going to buddy up well to like a semi truck. But if you look here at the rollback, it's significantly higher. And what we can do too with this rollback, there's a hydraulic tail here that comes down to the ground, and I can literally pick this deck up like another foot, maybe 18 inches, to get that to pair up really well with the back of the semi truck. So, like I said earlier, if we can send the delivery truck to a commercial tow yard, we can use one of the, or you can use one of these kind of trucks, hire them, that way they don't actually have to leave their yard, and it'll just buddy right up to the back of the truck and put it right on from there. So let's wait for the truck to show up, and hopefully we can get the lighting right and show you just what I'm talking about and go from there. And our Canadian friend just pulled in. We'll get him lined up and figured out. So in true logistical fashion, they did not put them in order in the back of the truck. So we got some going down to Delaware, and we're gonna deliver the blue one to West Virginia, down to Mr. Nagley. So I'm gonna get the rollback set up. We'll drive out the orange one and the blue one, lower the blue one to the ground, and then put the orange one back in. So stay tuned. If it was easy, everybody would do it, right? Alrighty, we got her all strapped down, 4 corners, 4 binders. I'll give you guys a video in the morning so you know what it looks like in the daylight, but there she is. SF1116 electric start, reversible conveyor, Teflon pads on the conveyor itself to keep that noise down, electric start, all the goodies. Whew. Hey, what else do you do at 8:30 at night? I don't know. You unload SplitForce units and reload them and take them back home again. So as I start off the video, I just wanted to say that's probably the easiest way of unloading the SplitForce stuff or anything out of the back of a traditional 53-foot semi-trailer. Actually, I take that back. The easiest way is having like an outdoor loading dock that you can just back up to and drive it right off onto the dock, and then you can load it onto whatever you want. But the rollback is the second best way of doing it. So I hope you find this video helpful and at least offer you a solution for getting your next unit unloaded, because I'm sure we're going to be sending the Timberwolf stuff nationwide too, so it's all going to travel on something bigger potentially. But I know the SplitForce stuff always does, and our AM machinery trailers travel the same way, so that rollback really is a nice solution for getting stuff out of the back of a traditional semi-trucking trailer. So like I said, it's the first-hand experience that I've got because we do this kind of stuff all day, and whether it's making firewood, unloading things, but would really love to earn your business with that sales quote. So if you can, or if you'd be so kind, I should say, to give me a phone call, it's 833-SPLITTER. It's 833-775-4887. You can also email me at sales@shaverequipment.com. And of course, right when I give you all the vital stuff, all the traffic on the highway goes by. So it's 833-SPLITTER, 833-775-4887. You can also email me at sales@shaverequipment.com. Everything we've got is priced over on the website. The log lift firewood bags are also easy online ordering right off of our website, which is shaverequipment.com. Here at the end of the video, I'm going to put a link in for the finance options that we've got. Been really doing some good finance things. Low rates, easy payments. You set it anywhere from like 12 to 60 months. Go from there. But again, give me a phone call, shoot me an email. I'm going to go turn on the heated seats and get warm again because my blood has not thickened up yet for this cool weather. So got to make that happen. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button here on the channel so you can stay up to date on everything we have going on. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.